Auto Fanatic coming at you with another video. Winter mode activated on the Portama Blue M340. Just did a nice foam cannon bath. Hit it with a Meguiar's Clay Bar spray wax. Just getting it ready. Paint came out beautiful, nice and soft to the touch. To the keen eye, you'll see that I put new Yokohama studless snow tires on. Nice sticky grip. These are the Ice Guard 52Cs, I guess, G52C. And you guys probably look at my previous videos. I used to have the 18-inch snow tires, rims with snow tires, and I've upgraded to the 791M wheels. I like the way this look is better compared to the 18s. So again, this car has been phenomenal for me. About to crack 25,000 miles on it. Not one issue. What I also did, I actually clay barred the glass. See how clean it looks? Car came out mint. Really, really nice. Peekaboo. See the F80 individual up there. Yeah, this has been a phenomenal car. I've been driving the F80 a lot. I love the M3. It's really been great. Like I said, see the beautiful individual fire orange 2 paint through the bushes there. But again, this car has been a trooper right here. Lovely interior with the oyster leather. Always gotta have the Nerf football in the corner ready to play. Harman Kardon, you know the deal. Nice and clean. Just an update for you guys. See how everyone's Halloween was. Let me know what you guys think about the 2023 M340 LCI. The difference is you get rid of this, and now the screen actually goes all the way across. I have 2 separate compartments here, but now it's one big long screen. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Some people like this one better, others like the other, look better. This one retains all the buttons that you see here, and the typical BMW buttons down there. With the 2023 LCI, it actually removes all these buttons, removes basically all these buttons, and then in order to do your heated seats and everything else that you see on the screen, all those little buttons, is going to be built into now the screen. So instead of being able to just press your heated seat here or your heated steering wheel here, now you have to go through the menus of the big screen on the 2023. Obviously, this is the 2021. This is still has traditional buttons on it, which more and more people are starting to revert back to. They like this look. This is a little bit more classic BMW, and now with all the buttons going into the screen, you're going to end up having to rely on your electronics. If your electronics go down, how are you going to put your heated seats on other than saying, hey, my BMW, and please put my heated seats on, which you can do with these cars. But again, the days of just being able to press a button if your ass is cold is kind of out the window at this point. Again, one other thing you'll see, I know I mentioned it in my videos before, but a lot of people ask me about this. This is the M Performance raw carbon fiber dash trim. When I ordered my car, this was basically a back screen option to be able to have all the carbon fiber trim done. It's up there as well, which you can't see, but it's all carbon fiber. And then what you also get is this real nice Alcantara. Basically, this is for your knee. The basic, trims that come with these cars, which is no carbon fiber option, If you're ordering your car online, if you're building it, it would be just hard plastic over there. So I opted for the nicer raw carbon fiber, which you usually see a gloss carbon fiber with the clear over it. I kind of liked having the raw carbon fiber. It's a different look, pretty timeless, and it gives it a sporty effect. But other than that, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think about this 2021 in Portimao Blue over Oyster Vernasca leather. Again, anybody doubting, if they should get this car or not, please do yourself a favor, get this car. The M340 is an amazing machine. It is fuel efficient, it's fast, it's all-wheel drive, you have your X-Drive, so you're good year round. It's beautiful. You do get the black headliner, heated seats, all the blind spot, Harman Kardon if you opt in for it. Touch screen. You have everything you could possibly want. I even have a real nice card over here. I'm gonna show you guys this pretty cool feature that this car has. This car actually does come with it looks like a credit card, but it's a digital key. It's a little dusty because I don't use it, but it's a digital key. It's nice. You can keep it in your wallet, and all you have to do basically is put it here, and that starts your car. Just like that. Pretty cool if you ask me. A lot of the newer ones, the 2023s, so on and so forth, don't come with it. With COVID that hit, thank God, the market's starting to kind of come back. A lot of things like this, touchscreen and things of that nature were kind of deleted. Lumbar support, weird options that are deleted. But this car has it all. I literally got this December of 2020. And then you guys all know a few months later, COVID hit and these cars became extremely hard to come by, especially with all the options that I have. But, just a great car. You have a frameless rear view mirror. Again, some nice gloss black accents in the car. Nice thick leather wrapped steering wheel that's heated. All the controls at your fingertips here. Again, you do have nice digital cluster there, and you have your digital infotainment there, but you still have all your regular buttons and an actual shifter here, whereas the new one, you just have a tiny little knob. It looks like a little lever, like a little flip. It almost looks like this for in place of this, I should say. A lot of people don't like it. I think it's nice, it's innovative, but again, when I'm driving, I do kind of like to just, even though it's not a manual, I like to rest my hand here. It would be kind of weird to not have anything there. But what I did see somebody retrofit one of these in the 2023, which is pretty interesting. They said it was a plug and play. They didn't even have to code it into the vehicle. This car does come with the stainless pedals and the dead pedal there as well. And that's basically it, guys. Again, let me know what you guys think. The detailing that I did came out really nice today. Yeah, I'm loving it. Again, here's these tires. You can see the thick grips, almost looks 4x4-ish. But there you go. If you guys are curious, Ice Guard IG52C. Okay? Just so you know, when you see that snowflake, you know that this means business. In Canada, there's actually certain roads you can't go on unless you have that on your tire. This will allow you to enter certain areas when it's snowing that other cars can't with traditional all-season tires or snow tires. This is like the extreme snow tires. So I do live in New York. It snows here, once in a while you end up with a blizzard, but overall it's just an extra protection just to have. See the Shadowline grill came with the car, which also gave you Shadowline up there as well, the air duct, and it gave you the mirrors and Shadowline. And I think the black wheels came out really nice. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, it helps the algorithm. And hope to talk to you guys soon. And I'll do a quick. Yeah, this looks so messy. I got a lot of stuff in my trunk. Let me close it. I'm doing a nice quick video on this at some point in time soon when I clean it up for the winter. I will be driving it here and there, not in the snow, but here and there I will. Talk to you guys soon.